start by priming my face with the Professional face primer. I have not used this primer, it's been a while, but I am going to be using it today because it does a really good job to like hide your pores and stuff like that. So yeah, let's do that. So I do this makeup look like it's like my current like everyday makeup look. I usually always do this makeup look when I go out. I do change eyelashes like around sometimes, depends like what kind of lashes I want to wear. I use this foundation every day. It's one of my favorite drugstore foundation is the Milani foundation. By the way, I always tend to use the same product. So I'm just going to be applying the foundation on my face. Okay guys, so I'm just applying my foundation, oh my gosh, my concealer. So the translucent powder that I've been using lately is this one. This one is the Airspun translucent powder. I always tend to grab this every time I do my makeup. So yeah, I'm just going to be using this. I know a lot of people don't really like the smell of this powder, but I do like it to be honest. I just like the scent, which could be a little weird. A lot of people say that it smells like viejita makeup. I was like, well, I guess I'm a grandma. But yeah. With the same powder, I like to set my entire face because this helps my face stay matte throughout the day. Because for those who don't know, I am oily. I always get oily on my forehead, like literally, and my nose. It's so annoying. Like I hate retouching my powder throughout the day. Like I'm always like, oh my gosh, I'm so freaking oily and disgusting. So yeah. So I did leave a little bit of powder under my under eyes. Oh, my concealer doesn't move or anything like that. I do really like this Too Faced bronzer. It's really nice. I've been really liking this Sweet Peach Glow little palette because of the blush that it has, which is this one in the middle. I don't know, I really like the blush for some reason. It's literally the only thing I use in this palette is the blush. It's really cute and it smells amazing. I don't know, I think it's the color. Then I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit. I do tend to have a small nose, so I don't want to contour it so much. So now I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this Anastasia eyebrow pencil. This one is in Inboy, something like that. So I just like to fill them in. I don't really like to like draw out of my eyebrows. I don't know, it's just not my thing, but I do like to like fill in my bald spots, if that makes sense. So in order for my eyebrows to not move, I'm going to be using this Gray Lash Maybelline lash applier thingy. It's like a gel. Well, it's for your eyebrows. I mean, it's for your lashes, but I usually tend to use it for my eyebrows. It works really nice. So if you guys are trying to find like a affordable eyebrow gel or something like that, try this. See how you like it. It's really affordable. Okay, so let's get into the eyes. I am going to be using the Jessalyn Hill palette. Literally, guys, I use this like all the time, especially because I do tend to use all the match shades right. The shimmers not really, but I do like all the matte shades in here. Let's get started with the eyes. So I am going to begin with this shade right here. It's like an orange yellowish color. I'm just going to apply it right on the crease of my eyes, like so. And I'm just going to be mixing these two shades together, the orange one and this light brown, just a little bit, like so. And I'm just gonna tap that out. And then I'm just going to apply it on my crease, and then I'm just going to be blending those shades. And I'm just going to be applying this shade right there. It's like a, I don't know, orange, dark brownish color. I'm also going to be applying it on my crease. Then I'm just going to take this nice brown right there. I'm going to be applying this brown all over my eyelids. So then I'm just going to be blending the top right here while my crease. That way it's nice and blended. Then with the same brown, I'm just going to be applying the, or under my lash line. Then I'm just going to be applying this gold in my inner corners of my eyes. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Dodo lashes. They're really long, guys, and really, like, you know, wispy, so yeah. These are really long, but they're so pretty, guys. I am going to be applying a little bit more mascara on my bottom lashes, just to like give them a little bit more volume. And I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever highlighter. This one is called Fusion. This is my go-to highlighter right now, so yeah, we're just going to apply that. Okay, now for lips, I am going to be using my favorite matte lipstick. This one is by Milani. It's a drugstore lipstick, which is pretty cool. This one is called Matte Beauty. It's one of my favorite kind of nudish, brownish lipstick. So yeah, Milani makes some good matte lipsticks, guys. Then I'm just going to be spraying my face with the badescu skincare spray. Okay guys, so we came to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.